In Lab 4.4, we're going to use a match case statement to calculate the employee bonuses from this table. So I already have my Python data files from the module downloaded. I've already opened up employee bonus2.py in VS Code, and I'm ready to get going. So we're going to complete the program. So the program is mostly written. We have to finish the important part over here, the match case statement. So we're going to calculate the rating. So if an employee gets a rating of 1, they'll get a 25% bonus from their annual salary. So 25% of their salary in addition to their existing salary. If they get a 2, 15%, 3, 10, and a rating of 4, or really anything else, they're going to get no bonus. So we'll open this file up. We're good there. And we've already got variables initialized. So let's take a look. Bonus underscore 1, 0.25%. That's probably going to be our first case. All right. And then bonus 2 is 15, just like this. Bonus 3 is 10. And no bonus is 0. Got it. Then we're going to get your input, name, salary, and the rating, assuming this will be HR typing this in. And then we'll calculate the salary. Salary we're going to have as a float. And the employee rating is going to be an integer. Okay, so we're type converting there. And then we can use our match statement right here so we can output the name, the salary, the rating, and the bonus. I see some squiggly lines over here in VS Code. This means we're going to have to define the employee bonus here in our match statement. So let's see what else we can do. Design the logic and write the rest of the program. Okay, good. So as you read in the Python PAL program, we're going to use the match Python PAL PDF. We're going to use match case to look up and see if it's this, if it's this, if it's that. So how does that work? I made a little demo for you. Let's say that your fave underscore fruit was apple. And then we go to match fave fruit. What we're looking for here, in the case of this, we're looking for one of these conditions. And if one of these conditions is met, then it will perform the code below. So in this case, if your favorite fruit is an apple, the case matches apple, it will print this statement. Same thing with orange or anything else. So let's give it a run just so you can see how it works. I'll go ahead and type in Python 3 case.py. And I'm not entering any data. I'm just letting this run. It will say, do you prefer Honey Crisp or Gala? Matching line 6. If I change this to orange and I run it again, it will, I got to save it and run it again. It will switch the case over to orange. So let's try, we'll do another test. We'll say your fave fruit equals, let me see what you have. Okay, I did not expect you to say dragon fruit, but let's give it a try. And I'll run that. And it matches the third case. This is a anything else case. This is an underscore character. And this says, if it doesn't match any case up here, do this. So you could have typed in anything and it would have said, that sounds delicious. So great. Let's get over here to employee bonus 2 and let's write our match statements appropriately. So we're going to match, and what we're checking for, we're not looking for fruits, we're looking for the employee rating. And then we're going to have 4 cases. So case 1, that's going to be the 25% bonus. So I'll just put this here for a minute. Case 2, it doesn't like that. We'll add these in a second. Let's make, no, it's not cast, it's case. It's getting worse the more I type it. Come right back to this. Case 3. And this is going to be, instead of case rating 4, we can just say if it's anything other than 3, So we'll use our underscore here. And if it's anything else, this one's easy. We'll just say the employee bonus, because we don't have this variable yet, equals no bonus. We could also just say 0 here, but let's make it all the same and say no bonus. So let's come up here and say what happens with case 1. So the employee bonus is going to be the employee bonus. We have to make that variable. Is going to be the salary times the bonus. So that is employee salary. These are very long, easy to read variables. And we're going to multiply it times, we could put 0.25 here, but it's better to use a variable bonus 1, bonus underscore 1. Okay, employee bonus equals employee salary times bonus 1. Now we see what we're going to do. Let's just copy this, paste it in here. That'll be bonus 2. And we'll paste it here. That will be bonus 3. All right. And then it should print out the name. So, okay, let's give it a try. Let's test it. We can press run or type it in manually. Uh-oh, invalid syntax. I better just come over here and type it in Python 3 employee bonus 2. I have in the first tab, I already had the Python, the REPL running. So it didn't like that when I pressed play. Pressing play will work for you. So let's give it a try. Gene Hansen. Yes, you have to type all this in or copy and paste. The salary is, I'm just going to copy it. There's a lot of zeros all there together, and you got to start counting them. So let's put that in, whatever that is. And their employee rating is 2. Let's see. So is this correct? Employee rating is 2, should be 15%, and is 10,500, 15% of 70,000. You could check. Looks good. Let's try. Oh, that's it. That's all you have to do. I thought there would be another one. You could test all the cases, of course. Make sure that you're getting everything that you want for your employees, that all the logic works. Copy and paste the output. Put it in the submission in the output. Make sure your source code is above that in the assignment box. And I'll see you on the next lab.